Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the brain teasers of ratio, proportion and unitary method. Now coming to the fourth question, fill in the boxes so that the numbers are in proportion. So already they have told the numbers are in a proportion. So that means it is 24 is to 18 in proportion with box, that is x, is to 96. So to find x, we have to write the product of extremes, that is 24 into 96 is equal to product of means, second and the third. So x, you keep it on the right side. On the left side it is 24 into 96. 18 you bring to the other side. So 24 and 18, it is a 9 or a 6. You can take 6, isn't it? 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So it will be answer 24, 18, box, that is 128 and 96. Now coming to the question number B, it is 1000. If they are in proportion, they have to be 1000 is to 500 in proportion to 200 is to box, that is x. The product of extremes, first and the last, is equal to second into the third. So x is equal to 500 into 200 upon 1000. 2 zeros cut, 1 0 1 0 cut. So x is equal to 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10. So you got x is equal to 100. So answer 1000, 500, 200 and then box, that is 100. Hope you are confident with these sums. Already we have done a lot of sums in the worksheets. Now coming to the question number 5, Sahil weighs 36 kg. That means weight of Sahil is 36 kg. His brother weighs 2 kg more. मतलब साहिल का वेट 36 है और उसका भाई उससे 2 kg ज्यादा है. सो वेट ऑफ साहिल्स ब्रदर कितना आएगा? साहिल का वेट 36 है और भाई का 2 kg एक्स्ट्रा है. दैट मीन्स +2. सो इट विल बी 38 kg. अंडरस्टूड? सो भाई का वेट साहिल से 2 kg एक्स्ट्रा है. सो यू हैव टू ऐड 2 kg टू साहिल्स वेट. नाउ दे हैव आस्क्ड रेशियो ऑफ द वेट ऑफ साहिल्स ब्रदर टू साहिल. साहिल का ब्रदर का कितना है? 38. तो वो पहले लिखने का है इज टू साहिल, दैट इज 36. अभी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करने का है. इसके लिए 38/36 फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म. 2 1s are 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 1 remains, 2 9s are 18. So 19/18, that is why 19 is to 18. So the ratio of the weight of Sahil's brother to Sahil is 19:18. Hope you understood. Now coming to the sixth sum. In an orchard, there are 150 trees. Orchard, fruit trees रहने का जगह है ना, garden where the fruit trees are there. So there are 150 trees. So total number of trees is 150. 65 of them are apple trees. Number of apple trees 65. 35 are pear trees. Number of pear trees 35. And the rest are orange trees. Total 150 है, उसमें से 65 एप्पल ट्रीज, 35 पेयर ट्रीज, तो जो बचे हैं वो ऑरेंज. तो इसका मतलब टोटल 150 माइनस एप्पल ट्रीज प्लस पेयर ट्रीज. So it will be 150 minus 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 6 7 plus 3 10. So 150 minus 150. So total number 150, apple trees 65, pear trees 35, orange trees 50. इतना मिला हमें. Now find the ratio of, so first question, ratio of apple trees to pear trees. Apple trees कितना है 65 is to pear trees 35. Now to convert into the simplest form, fractional form. Now 5 का टेबल में 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 1 remains 15, 5 3s are 15. You got 13 by 7, that is 13 is to 7. First question का आंसर मिला. Now coming to B, orange trees to apple trees. Ratio of orange trees to apple trees. अभी orange trees हमें मिला 50 is to apple trees कितने हैं 65. So 50 upon 65. 5 1s are 0s are, 5 1s are, 1 remains, 1 5 15, 5 3s are 15. So you got 10 by 13, that is 10 is to 13. That is the answer for the second question. Now coming to the third, pear trees to total trees. Ratio of pear trees to the total trees. Pear trees is 35 is to total trees, that is 150. So 35 upon 150. 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15 and 0. That is 7 by 30. So it is 7 is to 30. 4 sums are there. Oh sorry, 3 questions are given, but it is easy. Hope you understood everyone. That was question number 6. Now coming to the question number 7. The cost of 1 dozen oranges is 45. Cost of 1 dozen oranges, it is rupees 45. First question, find the cost of 1 score oranges. 1 dozen का कॉस्ट दिया है, 1 स्कोर का पूछा है. डजन का ही पूछेंगे तो डायरेक्ट, लेकिन इधर क्या बोले हैं 1 डजन मतलब कन्वर्ट इनटू नंबर, that is 12 oranges is 45. Find out the cost of 1 orange, rupees 45 divided by 12 oranges, isn't it? So 1 orange के लिए 45 by 12. Keep it like that. Now cost of 20 oranges. Why? 1 score is equal to 20. That is 45 upon 12 into 20. So first में division, second में multiplication. Unitary method. Worksheet 3. Isn't it? So 12 and 45. So 12 and 20 you can. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. 1 remains. 3 5s are 15. So you got, it is a 15 5s are. It is 75. So cost of 20 oranges, that is 1 score oranges, is rupees 75. First question over. Now the second question. How many oranges can be purchased for rupees 60? You remember the worksheet 3 last 3 sums, isn't it? In that the question, B question, was little bit different. You have to write in the reverse order. So, how many oranges? So, number of oranges. The statement should be like that. So, first statement, the cost of 1 dozen oranges is 45. So, you will write number of oranges purchased for rupees 45. First statement को reverse में लिखो. Number of oranges purchased for 45 rupees, that is 12. Now number of oranges purchased for rupees 1, that is 12 upon 45. 12 upon 45. Now number of oranges purchased for rupees 60. How many it will be? 12 by 45 into 60. So first step, 12 upon 45 division. Second step, 12 by 45 into 60. Now 45 and 60. 15 3s are 45. 15 4s are 60. 3 1s are 3. 4s are 12. 4 4s are, it is 16 oranges. Hope you are confident of this sum. So first question, A is direct, okay. In the second question, you have to write the statement in the reverse. Number of oranges purchased for rupees 45, that is 12. Find out number of oranges purchased for rupees 1, that is 12 by 45. Then number of oranges purchased for 60, 12 by 45 into 60. It was question number 7. Hope you are confident till here, all students, isn't it? Bye. Thank you. All the best.